Glad to have him in Viola today, 1066 International. 280-9 is the distance to beat. And Ben Wickner did not like the way he came out of the hole. He'll get that. I'm sure Ben's going to want more RPMs on that Macon International as he comes off the line. Parkersburg, Iowa, 285-9, unfortunately. 18.1 miles per hour, which will result in a knee.
This tractor's got cool side shields on it.
As we get the track equipment back off the track, and the track is ready. And the green light, the green flag. Bob Freiberger, the Outlaw Binder, Tuba City, Wisconsin. Bob Freiberger. Just after daybreak this morning, and they got this track in good. And more, Bloomington, Wisconsin. From the Moore Pulling Team, 1466 International. From Bloomington, Wisconsin, 276 and 5. 276 and 5. Brad Moore. Will be in third place. John Deere fans, here's your first opportunity in this class. Weighing in at under 10,500 pounds with cut tires. But does end up being at the Badger State Bowls. 288-9, Tanner Jelly. The 1466 International, Brad Hoffman, Lee, Illinois. Gonna run up a little bit short, 268 and 7. 268 with 7. 16.4 miles per hour. 288.9 to start the class. Cantertelli, that's been proven to be hard to beat. Hudson would like to change that. Let's see if this 50-20 gear can do it. Hardware Mercantile, Kickapoo Quick Stop Liquor and Laundry, Kickapoo Realty Insurance, Kickapoo Valley CDL Training, and Kickapoo Yacht Club. Some of your horse and coat show sponsors for 2023. Well, we thank all of you for your support, and all of you here this afternoon. Come on over and get your tickets. Going to give away that cash prize at 10 o'clock tonight downtown. You can't win it if you don't buy a ticket.
You can't get it to ship.
Brian Mueller, Lewisburg, Wisconsin. Brian Mueller, 278 and 0. 278 and 0. 18 miles per hour. Do it on the speed. That will wind up the class. We'll get your results here shortly.